the water pressure in this property. As you can see, it's not the greatest. They've got a gravity hot water system, so the pressure is not the greatest. Let me show you the system which we have. It's an old gravity hot water system. So what we did for the customer, we fitted a Triton power shower. So it's a Triton AS200SR power shower, and the results are great. So turn it on. I'll show you what it's like on the lowest flow. So that's how it was before. When I turn up the dial, the pressure is great. If I wanted better pressure, you know, you can see the pressure that it's giving you. Great pressure. That's from a gravity hot water system, power shower on full flow, and it's on maximum temperature as well. So turn down the flow, you can see it go back down. Turn up the flow. Great pressure.